Hello everyone, welcome back. This is MGS Pawan. In this video, I'll be discussing about the electrostatic, which will be important for JEE, NEET, KCET, and board exam related. So, in this video, you'll be having a detailed explanation related to electrostatics. So, everyone is well and good. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for getting more important updates. I hope. Let's start the section. What is an electrostatic? Let's see the definition. It is a property related to matter due to which it produces an experience of electric and magnetic field. It is a property of a matter where it produces an experience of electric and magnetic effect. And there are two types of charges. One is positive charge, one is negative charge. They are represented as this in the problems are usually. The thing is, like charge or same charges repel each other. Unlike charge means different charge attract each other. You can see here it is they are like charges, so they are getting a repel and here like charge they are moving far apart. Here they are moving far apart, positive positive, negative negative, and positive negative. Here they are attracting each other. SI unit of a charge is coulomb. Dimensional formula Q is equal to AT. Here A is ampere and T is the time. Point charge means a size is negligible compared to other distance. When you consider anything, a point charge is simply like this, where the size is so much negligible, so you can neglect the thing, but you cannot neglect the charge. Consider properties of charges. Charge is a scalar quantity which can be added or subtracted algebraically. Charge is transferable. If a body is in contact with an uncharged body, an uncharged body gets charged due to transfer of an electron from the body to one body to another body. It means it is getting charge from the charged body. Let's see an example. Consider a body A with a 12 plus charge and body B with 0 plus charge. It is neutral when it made to contact. When it is contacted, it will transfer 6 plus charge to body B. After charging, its charges are getting started distributed. When it started distributing, the body get far apart because this is due to the repulsion. Next, let's consider another example. Let's consider a rod of 4 plus charge of plus 4e. When it made to contact with Q is equal to 0, it get transferred, means charges are getting transferred from this rod to this sphere, so that now the charge become Q plus 2e. This is before and this is the before case, this is after case. When it is made with contact, after getting contacted, as the charge is distributed outside is the same and the like charge get repel each other, so it is moving far away. Let's consider another example. Charge is always associated with the mass, means without mass charge cannot exit, whereas mass can exit without charge. Charge is conserved. Charge can neither be created nor be destroyed. Invariance of charge. The numerical value of an elementary charge is independent of velocity. Though a charge is moving with a certain velocity, the numerical value doesn't going to affect it. Next, charge produces an electric and magnetic field. When a charged particle is at rest, Suppose when its charge is at rest, it produces only an electric field around it. When a charged particle is in motion, means an unaccelerated motion, it produces both electric and magnetic field. But when it is accelerated, means the velocities keep changing time to time. It not only produces electric field and magnetic field, but along with it produces radiation too, which is an electromagnetic wave, means electromagnetic radiations. Let's consider another property. Charge resides on the surface of a conductor because only on the outer surface, due to the property like charges of repelling each other, means inside there is the same kind of charge, so they cannot be inside, so there will be charges will be residing outside, means which get far away as possible from one another and stay at outer surface, which is farthest apart of a conductor. This is why a solid and hollow conducting sphere of same outer radius will hold the maximum and equal charge. Quantization of charge. Charge on any object can be integral multiple of smallest charge E. Quantizer means, what this means when a physical quantity can have only discrete value rather than any value. Only discrete value means which will be countable, like 1, 2, 3, 4. 0.5 they are also countable, but it should be integer, not any fraction values. The smallest charge that can exist in nature is the charge of an electron. If a charge of an electron is minus 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb, it is taken as an elementary unit. That is quanta of a charge. The charge on any body will be some integral multiple of E. Let's see, that is Q is equal to plus or minus E. Means the charge can be positive or negative. Q can take the positive or negative value based on what we consider. Suppose n can have 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the integer values. But the Q cannot have fractional values, like Q is not equal to 0.5 or Q is equal to plus or minus 10 power minus 15, means it will be 0, 0, 0, 0, some after 14 will be at 15 will be at dot 1, 10 power minus 15. So this will be, I will discuss another in the brief in the another video. Now let's consider the method of charging. There are different methods to charge a body. They are as follows. Consider method 1, by the friction. When two bodies are rubbed together, electrons are transferred from one body to other. As a result of this, one body become positively charged and while other body become negatively charged. Example, rubbing of a duster with a polythene. Suppose, consider here the polythene and the duster. Polythene and duster are now neutral. When it made to rub, here it is negatively, polythene is getting negatively charged and duster is getting positively charged. Next, consider one more example, duster with cellulose. Here the duster getting negatively charged and the celluloacetate is getting the positively charged. Before rubbing they are neutral, but after rubbing the charges are getting changed. Consider one more example, by the electrostatic induction. Suppose a charged body is brought near an uncharged body, the charged body will get attract to opposite charge, and here it will attract to opposite charge and repel if there are like charge, means similar charges is present in an uncharged body. As a result of this, one side of a neutral body close to uncharged body become positively charged while other is similarly charged. This process is called an electrostatic induction. Note, in electrostatic induction, body neither gains or nor loses the charge. Let's consider here, you can see a scenario. Here see, it is charged. When it is brought, it started getting repelled because it has acquired the charge. Now let's begin once again. Bringing a positive charge here B makes gets charges accumulation on A2. After that, when a cylinder paper is bought with a positive charge, it started getting repelled, means like charge getting repel each other. You can see once again this video I am playing. You can check here, when a beam of positive charge is made with contact with A2, it gets positively charged. Now the cylinder paper with positive charge made to contact with this A2 wind, it has become repel because the positive charges repel each other, like charge repels each other. Next method is by the conduction. Consider a two conductor, one charged and other uncharged. Bring the conductor in contact with each other. The charged, whether it may be negative or positive, under it repulsion will spread over the both conductor. Thus the conductor will be charged with the same sign. This is called charging by conduction through the contact. See, here we are getting negative charge and it is become negative charge. Electrons from here we are making transfer. Here the same charges are getting transferred from the negative conducting rod to a neutral sphere, which makes the sphere neutral. Which make the sphere negative. Thank you for watching. In the next video, I will be explaining about the electroscope, Coulomb's law, and other related problems I will be going to solve. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel.